That's a serious question, Starr replied when asked if Daniels's claims about a payoff should be investigated by special counsel Robert Mueller to determine if the money she received from Trump's longtime lawyer, Michael Cohen, constituted an illegal campaign contribution. What did the president know? Did he authorize it? All those things have to be sorted out. But Starr said he believes that the issues at play are sufficiently far afield from the matters at the core of Mueller's investigation that they should be handled by others in the Justice Department. Starr emphasized that he is not recommending a conclusion, only that the issues raised by Daniels's allegations be reviewed. As in law school, I'm issue spotting and discussing the kind of things that Rod Rosenstein would probably sit down with the Attorney General and raise. He'd take that elevator from the 4th floor of the Justice Department to the 5th floor and say, "General Sessions, we need to talk, and this is the issue of the day. Daniels's allegations have to be considered and assessed," he added. It would be the equivalent of a preliminary investigation. That's the way these things are done. More broadly, however, Starr spoke of how dismayed he is about the multiple allegations of sexual misconduct against Trump. But he stressed what he clearly views as the more serious questions he faced as independent counsel, when he learned about Clinton's relationship with Lewinsky, a subpoenaed witness in the Paula Jones sexual harassment lawsuit. But that doesn't trigger the law, Starr said, drawing a distinction between the allegations against Trump and those against Clinton. The reason we went to the Attorney General with respect to the Monica Lewinsky phase of the investigation is because under the information we had, I'm just going to go ahead and say it, the concern we had was subordination of perjury in a civil case. Now we had 4 years of background. I'll just say there were questions throughout the Whitewater investigation about the credibility of the President and the First Lady, Hillary Clinton, all along the way. I'm just going to leave it at that. For all his criticism of Trump, Starr did not rule out entertaining a request to join the president's depleted legal team in the unlikely event that such an offer was made. I've not been asked, and I don't expect to be asked given the various things I have said, Starr said when asked if would help represent the president in the Mueller investigation. I think you guys know me. I would listen respectfully and assess the situation. All you're going to get from me is that I have great respect for the presidency of the United States, and I would certainly listen with respect to a telephone call that will not come. I think it likely is unprecedented, Starr said of Trump's lack of respect for the independence of the Justice Department. I certainly hope so, and I hope it's never revived. I hope we don't have the beginning of a new tradition. Because at the end of the day, we have to live by the rule of law. And these kinds of tweets and attacks and so forth are very corrosive of the rule of law. I've been very consistent in saying that. And yes, it's troubling. As I said in the Washington Post, cut it out, Mr. President. But he's not listening to me. More skullduggery from News Pulse News.